Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Facebook video with HD quality. So first of all I am going to go Facebook. So this is my Facebook and you can find here such kind of interface in your Facebook account. Next, just get your video. Suppose I'm gonna search a video that is BBC News. Okay, then so I'm going to follow this video, then just get this video link. So just click on three dot line, you can find here three dot line. Next, get copy link. It's okay. After getting it, if you want to download this Facebook video, you have to go Play Store for installing an app. So I'm going to go in Play Store, then search an application name. The application name is 4K Real HD Video. Okay, 4K Real HD Video Player, a downloader. You can see 4K Real HD Video Player and HD Video Downloader. So just install the app, and after installing just click for open, and right now it's opening. Quite nice interface, this one. Then you can find here three options: full HD video player, audio player, and all video downloader. So just click on it. So guys, before going to the process, I'm going to ask you something. If you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting new video. Then you can find here download videos. So just click on it, then select first one, that is Facebook videos. Okay, right now you can just paste here, that is your link that you copied. So I'm going to paste here my link. Okay, then select here, that is download video. Right now you can see that it start downloading. Okay, just wait a second that it will be download automatically. Okay, just go back and go back to your gallery, your phone gallery. So I'm going to go my phone gallery, then going to select album, then I'm going to select this one, that is Facebook video. This one, Facebook video. Okay, you can see this video just now I have downloaded. So you can download that way your videos.